The Task lithium-ion drill driver is a great all-rounder, ideal for first-time users and DIY enthusiasts. Compact and powerful, it's perfect for drilling wood, plastic and metal. The settings let you adjust the torque depending on the material you're driving into, such as a low setting for small screws into soft material and a higher setting for larger screws into hard material. The drill setting ensures smooth drilling into whatever material you're using, and switching between forward and reverse is quick and simple. The rubber grip and slimline design makes it easy to hold and comfortable to use for long periods of time. The LED work light brightens your work area, ensuring precision and safe use. Knock a few of those DIY projects on the head with your Task drill driver.